In this video, we're going to set up Office 365 to work with K9ERP. Before we get started, make sure you have two things available: an Office 365 login with global administrator privileges, and a K9ERP login with administrator privileges. The first thing we're going to do is navigate to portal.azure.com. You're going to sign in with that global administrator account. On the left side of the screen, you'll see an option for Azure Active Directory. You're going to then click on App Registrations. And you're going to go ahead and hit Add. You're going to give it a friendly name over here. You're going to leave application type as web app/API. And in here you're going to put in the full path to your company. Once you have that, go ahead and hit Create. Once that's done, go ahead and highlight the name. And you're going to see the information here. Go ahead and copy this application ID to a notepad. You're going to need this later. Let's go ahead and paste that in there and save it for now. Once you have this up, go ahead and click on Properties. And you want to make sure Multi-Tenanted is set to Yes. And go ahead and save that. Once you have that, go ahead and click on Required Permissions. Click on Add. Click on Select an API and choose Microsoft Graph from the list. Hit Select and you'll get this screen over here. Now you want to scroll down a little bit. We want to start over here under Delegated Permissions, and you're going to look for Sign In and Read User Profile, and go ahead and check that. You're going to check a few more as follows. You're going ahead and check on Read and Write Access to User Mail, Send Mail as a User, have full access to user calendars, have full access to user contacts, and have full access to user files. In total, you should have no more than 6 checkboxes. That's all that's required for K9. If your administrator suggests something else, go ahead and see his advice. Once you have that, go ahead and hit Select and hit Done. Let's close out of this box, and we brought back to our settings over here. Go ahead and hit Keys, and be prompted to set up a key over here. Let's go ahead and give it a friendly name. And let's set that expiration to never expires. If you need a shorter expiration, go ahead and do it. Just remember, you're going to have to recreate this process again once it expires. Once we hit Save, we'll get a key value over here. It's extremely important that you copy and save this key. You're going to need this later on, and you won't be able to retrieve this again. So let's go ahead and paste this again into our notepad. Let's go ahead and close out of these windows because we're basically done with Azure. Our next step is to log in to our company. In this case, I'm logging into my demo. Remember, you need to log in with administrator privileges to see the System Maintenance menu. You're going to navigate to System Maintenance, System Management, and System Configuration. Once in here, you're going to go to Email Configuration. We're only going to care about 3 columns at this point: the email provider, which should be set to Office 365, the email client ID, and that email client secret. Here's the ID we copied first. We're going to go ahead and paste that into there. And here's the client's secret, which was the second one that we copied. We're going to go ahead and paste that into there. Once you're done over there, just hit Save Changes. You'll get a confirmation. To verify that it works, go to Communications and click on Email. You get a login prompt. It'll pop up this screen over here, and the first time you log in, you'll get this Accept Permissions screen. Go ahead and accept it, and you'll receive your email. I received the email right away because I was already logged into Azure, but if you were not logged in, you would have a prompt to log in K9. From there, you're ready to go. If you want to log out of your email within K9, but not out of K9 itself, go ahead and hit that log out button over there, and it will sign you out. You'll still be signed into K9 until you press the K9 logout. Once again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact your implementation team or your reseller. Thank you.